Hey, how's it going everyone? Today I'm going to talk to you real quick about a issue I had with my lawnmower that I fixed, and I'll show you what parts I got. But basically this is a Craftsman Pro Series 7800 lawnmower. I bought this from Sears about 9-10 years ago, and it's got the Kohler 7000 series motor in it. And as you know, Sears is no longer here, so it's a little hard to find parts, but I was able to find what I needed on Amazon, and so I'll be posting a link to that below. So let's take a closer look at what I fixed. Okay, so I've got the engine cover off now, and I'll show you guys what I was working on. But just to recap, this is a Kohler 7000 Elite Series motor. It's the model KT715. It's the 20 horsepower, 725cc motor, and it has 2 cylinders, left and right. And basically what I found out was my coil packs were bad, and I went on Amazon and ordered some new ones. The kit comes with 2 new coil packs, and then you get 2 new spark plugs, 1 for each side. So I was able to put those in, and I've been running this lawnmower for a little while now and testing everything out, and so everything's been running really good, so really happy with that. So it solved my problem. The coil packs come out really easy. You just have 2 bolts here and just disconnect it from the spark plug, and these will come out. And then when you install it, just put the bolts back in, plug it in, and then just remember that you need you probably want a feeler gauge to set the gap between the coil pack and this part of the motor. You may have to look that up in your owner's manual to get the right amount of space using the feeler gauge. But that's basically what I did and got that just right. So that's all I needed to do is get the new coil packs from Amazon. They came in real fast. Everything's working great. So if you're having a similar issue and having a hard time finding parts for your lawnmower and have the same motor as mine, I'll have a link below so you can try these parts as well. So I hope that helps you guys. Have a good one.